Oh yeah.
What's up, y'all? Thanks for coming back to the channel. We're keeping it going. 25 days of Christmas for Stagery Media. Today's video is going to be pretty simple. I just received my Vigilante. I think when I first put these on, I just received my Vigilante banners on the car, and I think I never really told you guys how. It's probably like an echo in here. Hold on one second. Cause it's like 40 something degrees outside and I'm not with it. Let me just raise the garage up just a little bit. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's okay. So basically I never really told you guys, and this is like some dope lighting, by the way. I did this video and check it out up there, I think. Yeah, I never really told you guys the reason behind the whole Vigilante, sticker and decal front, the front decal and everything like that. I just kind of put it on. I forget what video it was that I put it on. And it was more like an aside. Like I just did it kind of like, hey, this is, by the way, you know what I mean, in the video. And I didn't really explain anything. So, I mean, this video is gonna be basically me explaining kind of like where I got the Vigilante decal from, the purpose of it, and so forth. The Vigilante, that whole moniker, for me, and it's supposed to be a family thing between me, my brothers, moms. She thinks she's everything we want to do or try to do or want to be a part of when it comes to our crew. She's all for it. You know what I mean? So what's dope is, when I came up with the whole Vigilante thing, it came about basically from us being able to, when we go out and we driving and we mobbed up and we standing next to each other like we're unruly. You know what I mean? Like it's a, when one go down, we all kind of go down kind of thing, right? And I remember one time I went to a car meet with my brother, right? One Jay-Z Mike, he's been on the channel. By the way, he has a new car. I won't say what it is. If he decides to come and want to make himself known, the kind of new car he has, so be it. But yeah, it was one story that I had where we was at a car meet. And I don't know, it was like one of these garage type car meets where almost like a docking, those little docking areas where the 16-wheelers go and they dock their cars for whatever factory company. It was in that parking lot, that factory area. And we got there, people was going crazy, doing their little, donuts and all that other shit. And then the police came, right? It was, let's call it Mexico, like how everybody call it. I won't say what it was. I won't say where it was. It was just people were doing what would cause the police to come. So they came and they started like, they fired it up. Everybody starts running for their cars. Like, that's just what it is, So the police is like, they're set up on the entrance and the exit. Really, it was only really one exit, to be honest with you. Unless you made an exit and just jumped your car and didn't give a fuck about your car being broken or scraped or whatever. But what was funny, and this is why my brother, he was like, he swore me off like for a while. He was like, yo, I'm never going to no car meets with you again. As the police was there, like, I couldn't find my keys, right? So I couldn't find my keys. Miguel, my brother, Mike, he's in his car in front of me, already in the car with the car moving. He's in front of my car like, yo, Sean, let's go. Come on, what you? I'm like, bro, I can't find my keys. I felt so fucked up. And then I told him, I was like, yo, bro, just go. If I get caught, just fucking go. I don't want both of us to go down. And he straight up was like, nah, I'm not leaving. What's wrong? Like, tell me what's wrong. And apparently my fucking key, my key that's on my car, my key has never came off of the little ring, the ring that you have on your keychain or whatever, it never came off except for this day. So, so as I'm moving around, I look under. It was literally on the side of the damn car, yo. Like, you know, the driver's side, like it was almost a little under the car, but it was just visible enough for me to see it. And something told me, look down. And the fucking key, the single key was on the damn ground. My keys was with me, like the rest of the keys was with me, but my actual key to turn the fucking car on and drive was like basically under my car. And I felt bad that day, you know what I mean? But that was the day that I felt that, yo, because we weren't a part of any crew at that point. We were just, you know, brothers going out to a car meet that we saw on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? To me, that is what kind of springboarded the whole vigilante thing. And it gave me this feeling of no matter what goes down, if you with family, whether it's your friends, family, whatever, whoever you call your brother, your sister, whoever y'all ride with, if one go down, we all go down. And that's where the vigilante came from. Like, we're unruly, but you know what? If we all go down, we all go down. If we get out of there alive, we get out of there alive. That's just what it is. And that, to me, almost like the actual weekend that happened, that's when I thought of vigilante. You know what I'm saying? That's when that came to my mind, vigilante. Oh shit, like this, you know, that, and as many times, and I'm gonna give him credit for it, as many times that my brother, that I look at him, because I'm the one that used to change his damn drawers and his Pampers and shit when he was younger. And as many times where he said, nah, fuck it. I'm staying and we finna do this. So many times that he's done that. And he know that I've done that for him too, you know? And, you know, when I came up with the vigilante thing, he was like, yo, yeah. You know, and me and him don't ever really see eye to eye, but when we, you know, we know that there's a mutual respect, you know, for each other, and we don't really make it a thing to try to go beyond what we respect level, you know what I mean? Yeah, we've had issues back and forth, but you know, there's always still like that, yo, I got your back no matter what. If somebody told me, yo, somebody is doing something wrong to my brother back in Miami, no matter what condition my car is in, I'm pushing this motherfucker down there. And that's the whole thing of vigilante, is no matter what, family first, always. That's what it means to me, and that's what the purpose is. And it's so crazy that when I first put the vigilante stick on, I never really told you guys. I just kind of did it as an aside. I don't know if I'm gonna get a bunch of these made to kind of sell them, if you guys want to kind of rock that too. I know in my mind, Miguel will probably be like, nah, you know, it's only for family, you know what I'm saying? But I see y'all as family. I see the people that watch my videos as family. So I don't know, don't hold me to it. I don't know if I'm gonna actually have these to sell. But I want you guys to understand that my ideal for vigilante and for Stage of Media is just family. Be there for, I'm not trying to be all, you know, Dom Toretto, Fast and the Furious, like, but my thing is, it's always family over everything, no matter what. If you got a close friend of yours that y'all consider your brother, your sister, he's family, no matter what. You know, and never leave your family on stuck. You know, hence I've said it in multiple videos that I'm such a hoarder with stuff, like in my trunk, keeping all these different things just in case one of the homies' cars break down. I have something that you can use to get you back on the road and back home safely. That's just how I am. You know, if you stuck out there, I'm gonna be stuck out there with you. You know what I'm saying? No matter what, whatever we gotta do. And that's where the whole vigilante, you know, moniker decal thing came about, because that's just what we did. That's what we did. That's what we used to. We used to just always be in there for each other. You know what I mean? And I say that only because, you know, sometimes you guys may have family that's not, you know, you're not in the best, you know, position to really be calling them family, but maybe you got a friend that is more family to you than your actual blood. You know what I'm saying? And those are people you look out for, no matter what. You know what I'm saying? So this video is not gonna be too install-y. I am gonna be installing this new one because this other joint is trash. Like, also, by the way, a guy by the name of Don Decals did this for me. I'll put his Instagram, and he was able to ship it to me too. So, you know, talk to him. He's down there. He's super dope. He has like some of the best high quality decals, material, wrapping material that you can get. And this is what you do right here. This is definitely dope. I love this. So this is gonna get scratched off like ASAP. So let me do that so you guys can go through and see how I put this on. You know, so you can be able to add, you know, do it for yourself. I'm gonna actually be using, crazy enough, I'm gonna be using because I need to wash the window first. They have a glass cleaner. I feel like I'm sponsored by goddamn McGuire because I keep pulling out this damn shit. So yeah, McGuire's has their own perfect clarity glass cleaner. I'm gonna be definitely using that to clean up the specks and crap that's on the window. So, and got the shop towel right here. So let's do that. So I was able to put that blade to use, scraped off. Again, when you also, let me also explain the reason why this is even like this. One is because my car, like I told you guys, the same issue with the hood, the roof, and the trunk. My car was in the elements. You know what I mean? Being in South Florida with the heat and the sun just beating on it, it just caused the decal to just discolor. It's funny because it was actually this same type. But now that I have a garage now, and this is here, I don't have to worry too much about, you know, this fading or whatever the case may be, because my car is not gonna be out in the elements. You know what I'm saying? So, and I don't know if maybe some of you guys may have gotten triggered by the whole me holding a blade to the window. Trust me, I've done this so many times before that I don't have to worry about the window getting scratched or whatever. I know how to kind of do this and get this off without scratching the glass itself. So I know you guys probably like, oh my God, he's taking a blade to the, nah, I've done this. I'm kind of seasoned at this a little bit already. So yeah, there you go right there. Now with this, I'm not trying to pick up all these little pieces. I think I'm gonna crack open the dry wet vac. Had this for a little minute. Haven't even took it out the box yet. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Again, another one of those things from Walmart. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna like take out all the pieces and all that craziness, but I'm definitely back into this shit. Hold on one second, y'all. Put some of this glass cleaner on. Only McGuire's, man. Only McGuire's. Right. Yeah. I mean, another thing I wanted to definitely get rid of is the ghosting. Like normally when you put the, you know, decals either up on the top banner right there or even in the back of the car and you're taking like old ones off, there's a bit of ghosting that happens with it. Like it leaves a little, you know, silhouette of the, whatever decal you had before. Like I'm seeing some ghosting right here. I don't know if you guys can see. See, that's an S Yeah, you see, you can kind of see it. So I may take the blade again and kind of go over that section just a little more. I mean, it's nothing, it's something that would eventually at some point go away. I mean, I'm wiping it off now and I'm seeing it go away, but you know, and that glass cleaner even smell good. How does McGuire's glass cleaner even smells good, yo? Jesus. They got the formula for whatever they got. It's everything they have smells good for some reason, yo. This shit ain't no Windex, I tell you that. I don't know, it's something about oil slick that just really gives it that look. I love oil slick. All right, guys, so that's the video. Told you guys these videos are gonna be relatively small, but they're gonna be pretty informative. What I've also noticed with these videos, they're gonna kind of give you more of an insight into me, if that makes sense. I'm gonna be talking to you guys a little more, you know, candidly about the things that have happened to me, the reasons, a lot of story time. And I think it's dope because it's Christmas and it's kind of like my gift to y'all to really figure out who's this guy that's in front of your, you know, phone or laptop, wherever you watch YouTube at. Who is this guy? You know what I'm saying? What's his background? He's just showing us a G35, but who is he? And I think this process of the videos and showing you guys who I really am and what my background is going to be the most important thing for me, at least. And like I told you guys, at the end of the month, my biggest video is going to really show you guys who really is Sean from Stage Review Media, and it's going to really let you guys in on the kind of person that I was and what I am now. So I know it's very cryptic the way I'm putting it, but you will see how it'll all come full circle towards the 25th video. With that being said, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Again, as always, love each other, care for each other, smile under that mask, and just be grateful, all right? It could be worse, and if it's worse for you guys right now, it can only get better, all right? Peace, stay driven, one.